Studying at a top 10 university changed how I see education. Before I got here, I thought global rankings were just a flex. But now that I'm actually studying at University College London, I understand what they mean. Because you feel it every single day. Hi, I'm Akanksha and I moved from India to study at UCL. And while yes, reputation looks great on paper, what's made it truly meaningful is how committed the university is to creating real opportunities for students. Whether it's through hands-on experience, academic support, or professional connections, that investment shows up in so many parts of student life. The academic support is incredible. My professors know me, my supervisor actually listens, and the staff are always ready to help. You're encouraged to push boundaries, and the best part is everyone around you is doing the same. People here are doing amazing things in science, arts, health, tech, you name it. And even if they are not in your field, you end up learning from them anyway. That cross-pollination of ideas is what makes it special. UCL has a unique energy, it's global, it's grounded, and it constantly challenges you to think bigger. So yeah, ranking matters, but not because they look good on a website. They matter because they shape real experiences. UCL's reputation didn't just bring me here, it's been propelling me forward ever since, equipping me with the tools, confidence, and connections to thrive in my career.